good? What's good?
Hey, everyone.
Hello.
Good.
1 second. Got like 2 huge ass monitors now on my screen.
GJ's consolidating, waiting for it to break to the downside.
Did you get in the trade?
Yeah, I took it on the 30 just now. But then I didn't like the fact that the 4 hour was gonna close bullish and the 1 hour bearish, so I cut my trade. So it was like this.
I'm waiting for it to break a 15-minute support, and then I'm gonna enter as an impulse entry.
Yeah, but where are you gonna put your stop loss above the 15 or the 30?
Me?
No, whoever was talking.
Oh, that was Kevin.
I'll put my stop loss above probably the 15-minute. Yeah, the previous 15-minute, the bullish one.
I wouldn't.
That's so tight.
Yeah, I wouldn't, because so the reason why, so this was my trade earlier, right? I'm already out of it. So I entered based on the 30 forming new resistance, right? So when it retested this previous zone, earlier on the stream, that was a 30-minute zone on the left. So when it retested, came back down past the body, I entered. But then when this candle actually formed weak without a new lower low, right? I was like, it's gonna have problems at 135,600. So I really wouldn't go short anywhere here. Yeah, if anyone's trying to take a shot now, I really don't suggest it.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to break the 135,668.
Yeah.
And then enter from there as a impulse entry, but we'll see.
Yeah, below 600 is really a lot better. So
yeah,
definitely. Yeah. I feel like we get inside here, we're gonna get chopped around because the 1 hour and 4 hours saying different things.
Yeah, in that area, if you go to, like, I know we don't care much about like the past a lot.
Yeah.
Like especially forward, but like that area, it's been a really consolidating zone. Like if you go look back in the past, it's like
on the 1 hour.
Yeah, like on the higher time frames. Like if you go further back, you see this area.
Yeah.
So there's been like a history of a lot of consolidation. So under that 600 though, it's more clean.
Yeah, at least till 450.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's enough range for me to trade. Are you gonna wait for it to break 135,600, then wait for a retest? Preferably yes, because it's a 4 hour zone. No, I won't place a limit order. I might just get wicked, and then GJ continues back up. So, yeah. Break, retest to confirm that it wants to come down. DXY. Yeah, Jeff, you might need to send the chart. I don't even look at the DXY.
Apparently DXY is crashing or something.
Is it?
I don't know. I saw somebody message it in the group or something.
Oh.
In a group, not our group, but in a group. Talking about the DXY falling.
I mean, we're not trading any dollar pair, so I guess it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, unless anyone's trading GU, then be careful. Yeah, simple. Ooh, let's have a look. Bro, retest. Wow, let's have a look. This looks interesting.
On the daily?
Yeah, so if it's below 135,600, right, then oh damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be a. So this was
a
the
big fake out.
yeah. This would have been the move earlier. Down. This is the retest to come back lower. Then, holy. 133.5.
Yeah, this area that it's at right now, it's that area where it consolidated for all last week.
Yeah, correct.
Not all 2 weeks ago. Sorry.
Yeah. That whole mess, right? This
Yeah.
this junk.
Yeah.
This was the
that
death
one.
zone.
I have a question.
Yeah.
For the
Okay, come
with the
nearer, yeah? If not, I'm gonna throw you again.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
So I have the magic keys with me right now, and
Oh.
does it come with a manual? Like I only have in the box, I have a card, and the magic keys.
Yeah, that's all. That's really all.
So
I
how do you
think
check the troubleshooting? Because like I'm having problems with the.
I think on that website link that he gave on that card, right? It probably has a link.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on my a laptop. It's like it's connected. The zoom in and zoom out work, but the other buttons don't work. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, see? The card has a download link.
If it breaks, it should go to like 350, 135, 350. It looks like it's just rejecting this area.
Yeah, that's why I cut my trade. I was like, I'm not gonna get chopped, man. That's not gonna be a fun place to be when the hour closes.
Yeah, I'm actually bearish. We've talked about this in the earlier stream.
Yeah.
I'm actually bearish because like there's negative rates, right? So
yeah,
it's supposed to like this whole move up. We've seen it before where it has like a whole fake out up and then it corrects the whole move going
yeah.
New York. So I'm waiting to see.
Yeah. Kevin, did you on your num lock? And did you turn on the auto trading?
Yeah, I did turn on the auto trading.
How about your num lock on the thing? The num button, NUM.
Oh yeah, I did. I even pressed that. I see that blue light.
Yeah.
That's supposed to show. Yeah, it's just like the zoom in and zoom out work. It shows me like I can see like the market moving. Like I can see it zooming in and zooming out. But if I try to press the other numbers, I would get this like this picture like symbol saying 1, 2, 3. Like it's not working. Basically saying like
Ooh.
can't press. I don't
Okay.
know.
The last time I had that, I restarted my entire computer.
Oh.
Yeah, how about the
Did that
DLL
work?
imports thing?
What is that?
Here, check the
The
chat.
DLL.
The DLL.
Yeah, I did press that, yeah.
Yeah, it worked when I restarted. Yeah, restart everything.
Okay.
Bye, I'll see you in 10.
Oh no, I have like two laptops, so the one I want to trade with is the one that's not working, but the other one works. But I don't want to trade with that one.
Ah, okay.
So, having a dilemma.
Yeah, it's just ranging GJ right now. Gotta wait.
Yep. And there's news. So everyone, there is news.
Is there news?
Yes, half an hour.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. That's why I got out as well. I was like, holy, I'm not holding through chop and I'm not holding through that. I'd rather take my 5, man.
I might just call it a day, honestly.
Oh.
If we don't get it in the next like hour or so, I'll probably call it a day.
Yeah. Kevin, someone on YouTube is saying just go to the on-screen keyboard on your computer and press numlock. Try that. Yeah. If it doesn't work, then just restart your computer. It worked for me.
Yeah, I just
Or throw away the magic keys.
Or get the one that I told you about.
Yeah.
I paid too much to throw it away.
No, I'm just kidding.
Wait, what?
My light is so bright. I'm so white now.
Out of this trade. I think it's impossible to range the whole time of like New York session. I think we're gonna see something, especially after the high news.
Yeah. YouTube, if you hear noise like wind, please let me know. I'm trying to adjust my fan. Or the Zoom people, if you hear like wind. Do you hear anything? Like wind or wind noises?
Is it me breathing?
No. I think it's no, it's my fan. Cause like I have a fan right in front of me, and then I'm like trying to adjust it because it's so damn hot. Yeah, but I keep seeing noise. Okay, there's no noise. Okay, thank you. Because I don't want there to be like sounds. It's like freaking annoying. I might get like 20 dislikes on my thing. Let's see.
I don't think we're noticing.
I need a Dyson. It's just wind, Ethan. When Dyson or not, it doesn't matter, right?
I think Raja entered a sell already.
Ooh. Damn. Because the 15 formed resistance. Yeah.
He said at this 15-minute as this 15-minute comes to close, I will execute a sell.
Yeah. This one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. He closed half his position now.
Yeah. He would.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
1.5 lots. He only lost 50 bucks.
Nah. We can wait. We have a lot of time.
What's the news?
27 minutes. Some ECB news. Even cleaner sells below 135, 350. If I were to go short, I would be targeting 134, 600 first, and then we'll deal with this mess later.
Oh, thank you so much. It's working.
Yay.
I was so worried.
It won't. It's not spoiled. It's just the connection thing issue. Yeah.
I thought maybe it's not compatible with the laptop. This laptop I have, because it worked with the other laptop.
Nah, shouldn't be the case.
Got it.
What is gold doing? Wow, gold literally bounced off that zone I was talking about earlier. Damn. GU is right at my 1 hour zone, so I'm not going short on anything. I'm not taking any trades until this person is done speaking.
6 minutes.
Yeah, I wonder how long the speech is, or maybe they just publish it. Kevin, do you say something?
Our money, our journey.
10 million views, yo. 10 million. Is this not a retest to fill 4-hour week on GJ? Oh, maybe if some kind of support forms. That's why I'm not taking a trade, because I feel like GJ could just bounce off 135 600. Then yes, it would fill the 4-hour week. Yeah, but right now I think this is happening because if you look at the candles, right, they're just getting tinier and tinier as we approach news. So that should say something. So let's just be a bit more careful. Nothing.
I'm honestly more confident in catching the sell-off on gold than GJ.
Sell off on gold. Let's have a look. Off this area here?
Yeah, off that area.
This is, yeah.
Probably on the 4 hour though, not really on the, maybe on the 1 hour or 4 hour, not really on the lower time frames.
Yeah, definitely not, man. Would gold see any, since you've looked at gold quite a bit, right? Would gold have any movement from this, do you think?
I don't really pay attention to Euro news because I don't trade any Euro pairs, but I've started to realize that it moves some stuff. Like I used to pay attention to it because of Brexit and GBP.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess it would like reflect there, but other than that, I haven't really paid attention to Euro news.
Okay. I'm just curious. Gold seems to move with everything. Or maybe it just has a life of its own. I don't think they're publishing it live. Go is a demon incarnate. Yeah, the speech is not on their website. That's very weird. Oh, did I miss something? GU, yeah. Oh, hope is an evil thing. Manuel. Just be careful as you approach 135, 600 with news coming. So, if you're in profits, just try to go break even or something first, because you don't know how this is gonna affect your GJ trade. And that's coming in 20 minutes. Yeah. So to those that are new, I do look at charts. If you want, you can send them over as well, yeah? I think if you caught the entire GJ move, I hope GJ doesn't just range for the rest of the week like the last 2 weeks. Because last week it saw that big move on Monday and then it just went stuck for the rest of the week. That would be a bummer. One 871.34 and is that good spread? Oh, I need to see other broker. Let me see what's my spread. I've got, yeah, I think I'm around that same price as you, Jai lover. Oh, Zero, I thought you had profits earlier. What happened? Didn't you win the trade with us earlier? I remember you were in. But you were in late, I think. Friday was okay. Yeah, it was okay for some, not okay for me. Yeah.
So I guess that bull news, that bull move this morning was from good Brexit news.
Yeah, I saw something earlier, so I was reading it. Oh shoot, where is it? Hang on, let me pull it up. Yeah, I was reading this thing. See, pound source ahead of crucial Brexit whip. But doesn't say much though.
I mean, they got, what, 2 days? See if it comes true. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of taking it easy this week because of NFP.
Yeah.
But
So NFP weeks are always slower. Please go slow, everyone. Always slower. Today no news for GPP or GPY. Yeah, it's only this one. Even EJ is chopping. So with EJ, I see this resistance coming right up around I think it's around 12300. So we're just bouncing around this area, so just be careful. After that, it's fairly clean till above 200. Tony, are you in? Still in? Are you at break even?
I'm back.
You gave us all a shock, bro.
Bro.
That was
It was
really
so good.
loud. Too loud, too loud. Move back, man.
Now you're trolling.
No, I'm serious. That was really loud.
Oh, my bad.
You gave everyone a shock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wake up.
Yeah, Tony, nice. I'm still holding GJ from 134,473 buy. Oh, that was from earlier.
Yeah, that was good.
134,473. Wow. Where is your stop? Yeah. Yeah, where is your stop? Prati. Oh my god, I butchered your name, sorry. Trailing stop below the 30? Below the 1 hour? Or below this? 135,300. 135.8, let's see. Ooh, nice. Above this zone. That's nice. Yeah, if it flips above, you don't want to be in it because it's going up. Yeah, no loss is as good as a win, especially with news coming. Yeah. It should still come down. The likelihood of it coming down is a bit higher, but I don't think you really want to hold it through news. It's a bit dangerous if you ask me. So Tony's already at break even, so that's fine. He can't lose. He's godlike now. Enter GJ buy target 136. You mean buy above here? Or you're gonna buy now? If you're buying now, I really don't suggest it. There's no entry. What's... Oh, okay. I mean, I think you know what you're doing since you told me on Friday to put it above the 1 hour and I didn't. Yeah. Why though? I don't see any buys. If GJ will go up, it has to wick now, take advantage of the wick and exit when that happens. Sounds like a plan. I'm expect. What about sells? So Mohammed Yasir, there is news. I closed my position, my sell position earlier because I don't want to be in this, especially since the 1 hour and the 4 hours saying different things. 1 hour close bearish, 4 hour close bullish. So I'm not gonna be in that chop. I'm expecting price to correct through New York, although GJ could have a massive range day. Yes, John, I think so too.
Cells are not no more.
Nope. Yeah, it's just dangerous
Yeah, but
now.
this is a range, so.
But GJ broke above the 30-minute previous 30 high already. GG, yeah.
Are you looking for like a support to be created?
No, I'm not gonna trade this now. I'm still trying to find out how long this speech is.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think if it wasn't for the speech.
Yeah, if it wouldn't, but even if it wasn't for the, if let's say there's no speech, right, I would want the support to be from nearer the 135 600 zone, not floating in the middle of nowhere like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still trying to find out how long they need. I'm hoping it's those kind of speeches where they just put a PDF on their website.
So he hasn't started talking. That's gonna be. It's not gonna be like a long. I hope it's not long.
I hope it's not long too. It's due to deliver introductory statement. I don't think it's a long one. What's this? Ooh, GJ. Wow, thank God I cut my trade, man. GJ is playing.
I hope no one's in cells, man.
Yeah, I think Tony and Mikey are
People in
out
cells
safe.
right now?
Nah, they're all out safe. Yeah. So the thing was, if you see so many wicks to this area here, so the area of concern for me was this area, right? So the fact that we were just wicking so many times, I was like, oh, yes, danger. So that's why. Yeah, so.
And one thing I learned is like you have to be worried about like consolidation areas. In the past, if there's been like an area
On the
that's
left, right?
heavily consolidated,
Yeah.
that you
correct.
should be really careful not to, because this is bad.
Yeah.
This is on the left side, it's really bad. So,
Yeah. Danger, danger.
really patient.
Yep.
You gotta let price create a new like, spot where you can enter clean move.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God I didn't get no cells.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I gotta thank my wife for that one. She called me. She wanted some help with something. I gotta thank you, wife.
She
You saved me from losing a trade.
Yeah. Yeah, it was tough going short on this. Really, it was tough. Like.
So it's looking like these PC talks are kind of like the Fed talks. So like they have their statement and then a debate at the end.
Oh, did you ever like a live stream of it?
No, I was just reading the transcript from like the past ones. So it looks like they make like their statement, like their testimony, and then
Okay.
so like the last sentence is, "I now look forward to our debate." So I guess they
Oh, what's this? Do you
usually
still?
those debates and question sections are where the volatility comes in because no one knows what exactly is going on.
Yeah, true.
Bless me.
Yeah, it's this one here, Sam. The speech. Econ committee. It will be web streamed live. Let's see. Oh, I think it's not with us.
It's in about 10 minutes. I think I got time to make some breakfast tacos.
Yeah. Yeah, goal is tricky. Breaking and coming back. Can you keep quiet? I'm feeling like it's gonna be a no trade Monday. Just a reminder that we still have the rest of the week. Yes. Very well said. Plus London closes still in a while.
Could this be like another rejection of this area? Just to reject this area to continue going down on a higher time frame, right?
Yeah, correct. Yes, I think it was a 1 hour zone here. Yeah. But the thing is, do you really
Big
want
stop.
Yeah.
It's a 26 pip stop.
Yep. Plus, do you really want to trade it when she's about to speak? Danger, danger.
Stranger danger.
It's ranger danger now. It's stuck.
It's what?
It's ranging.
Ranging danger.
Ranger danger. I see the stupidest things. When there's nothing. I think I came up with something else that last week as well. I was saying earlier, GJ better not range the rest of this week.
Dow rallies 400 points, building on Friday's sharp gains.
Took any trade in pre-New York? Yes, I did, but I already closed up. Possible gold sell. Ooh, where's Khalid? It's coming down for him.
Yeah, I think for GJ the only way that we couldn't have gotten stopped out was because above the 1 hour.
Yes, but that would have been a huge stop. So
Yeah, 30 pips almost.
yeah.
Would you do an impulse? I mean, never mind, because there's news.
Yeah, no. No way, man. I think I will only take sales below 135.6. This is just...
Yeah, you just never know with news. It could just like fly through it.
Yeah. It might fly up or it might fly down. So let's just see. She probably will say something regarding Brexit as well.
Hey, it's a flag pattern.
I feel like if this 30-minute closes bullish above the previous candle, it will probably retest the high at 36,100 to 200. Yeah, I think so too, because that is the 4-hour wick fill, right? Oh my god, that's a 50-bit wick fill. Yeah. Sir Lei, would you like to send your chart? Our GU is ranging as well, off 28,600 with really tiny candles, so it's clearly waiting. Yeah. Wow, that was a nice rejection. Where's Khalid? Oh, Ashton's not on today. I think he would so take this. Looks like a perfect Ashton trade.
Is the speech done yet?
No, hasn't. I think it probably like just started. I'm trying to play this.
Yeah.
Is it 1.5 hours? Holy.
Oh my god. No trade today, guys.
Yeah, I'm about to call it a day
Oh
then.
my god. Is it 1.5? Is this the right one?
Looks like it.
If it's 1.5, we can just all go off.
Yeah.
Shit, man. Latest in-depth analysis. What's this?
Yeah, I'm about to call it a day, so
Yeah.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, man. Good day.
See ya.
Ooh, that was really loud. My bad.
They're doing a virtual?
Yes. Kororo, yo. It's the Kororo. I think it says on Forex Factory that she's only giving the introductory statement. So I guess once she's done, we can trade. So I'm just gonna keep this on until we see her face.
I don't hear anything.
Yeah, I muted it. Do you want to hear it? Like I didn't.
Just a little bit. Like, what is she saying?
Hang on. Okay, wait, hang on. I'm gonna mute it because if not, then there'll be like too many people talking. I'll send the link in the Zoom and on YouTube if anyone wants it. Yeah, my only aim is to see Christine Lagarde's face and see how long she speaks for. Okay. So since we're free, I'm gonna do this and just have a look. I don't do this all the time. Let's have a look at AU. Set the daily support. Oh, it's bouncing right off the daily. So there's this previous 4-hour resistance that you're coming into. Anything above that should be nice and clean all the way up to 716. Yep. This is recorded. Ooh, is it? I thought it was live. Oh, shit. Why would they record this? So weird. Where is her speech then? If it's recorded, then why would you put a time? That's so dumb. This is live though. Yeah, this is weird. Thoughts on holding GU and EU cells? Well, you're kind of overweight on the US dollar, so if there's no US news today, so you are still fairly safe, but I wouldn't overweight my trades like that. And GU, GU is not breaking below 128,600.
So I just watched 5 minutes of that whatever video was.
Yeah.
I had no idea what they were talking. What she was talking
Yeah,
about.
it looks like a nonsense video, and then someone yeah, someone said it's recorded. Yeah, I don't know. What the hell, man? Oh no, look, there's a schedule. Oh, look, wait, hang on. Let's see where she is. What time is it in? What the hell? It's like the whole freaking day. Today...
Every word she was saying was didn't make sense. Head of this, head of that.
No, I don't think that's her. So...
Oh, it's not?
No, dude, do you not know how Christine Lagarde looks like?
I have no idea.
I'm gonna show you the lady's face.
I have no idea of.
She's an old lady. Oh, look at her net worth. Ta-da!
Oh,
recognize not this lady.
Totally
this
different person.
Yes, it's a totally different person, dude.
I don't know anything about London. People like what is it called, like the in the office or whatever. I have no idea.
Yeah.
But I trade DJ.
Did she get divorce money? She has a net worth of 6 million.
6 million?
Oh, sorry. She's distinguished looking. I didn't say she was old. Did I? I think I did.
She's old.
Yeah, she's old. Would you want a young punk in this role?
I think so. Honestly, I feel like for me now, like politics is like they're all deception, bro. Like I would rather trust on someone who's like who looks young, has like time, and like has time in this world, that he would care about the earth, you know, about the people, about how he lives and stuff. But these guys are gonna die in 20 years, and like they don't care.
Do you think we can make 10 pips? Honestly, I think with this 1 hour close, we will get a bit more direction. But right now, I honestly cannot tell you. Yeah. Christine Lagarde. I wonder how old she is. Wow, look at her salary. Damn. How old is this? Wow, even has a zodiac sign. What the hell? She's 64. How come she looks so old? She must be stressed. Yeah, the 1 hour's forming support. So let's see. Rejected the 4 hour zone at 135,600. 1 hour looks like it's forming support. So let's just give it 5 minutes to see if we get some more direction. So I don't like the way these wicks are wicking to the left. Because if we look left, right, this gray zone that I drew up is this previous resistance on the left on the 1 hour. So that's why I'm a bit wary of it. 4 hour wick fill with the 1 hour close is bullish. I see the idea, I just don't know if you can push past 136 yet if it closes weak on the 1 hour. With one pair, can you make a living? Yes. You can still retest the high and then come back down. Yeah, so you might even do a wick fill of the 4 hour, like boom, for 45 pips and then come back into the range, and then hopefully we'll be out by then, because the left is really just a disgusting mess. It's just dangerous. I honestly prefer 136 and above for longs and 135 600 below for shorts. Yeah, nothing's clear, correct. I don't want to be caught in this. Do you use any indicators or do you only focus on price action? Yes, just price action. How much percent a trader makes in average? I'm confused that I'm doing good or I have to improve. I think if you're consistent, then that's fine. Don't compare, because your trade management versus another trader is different, right, Danush? So if you're risking 1% per trade, you're making like 2 to 3%. I think that's decent, as consistency matters more than big profits. The fact that this 1 hour candle's highs and lows are within this big bearish candle is not making me confident in the longs. So Sly, I think if you want to take it long to fill the wick, please just size appropriately. Yeah, it should close weak. Gold is joking. Let's see. No, it's not, because it was a 1 hour zone, so I think it was clear. It was quite clear that it was gonna come down, because the overall time frame is bearish, right? Does this speech also affect US dollar? I think so. It should. I was up 10% from London and now I'm -5 cause I over leverage. Oh. Okay, then either walk away from the charts now or just control your risk. Yeah. Oh man, London was nice. Yeah. If I were you, I wouldn't take the long Sly, really. Yeah. See, John said it too. It's really not convincing. Look at how small the body is. I would not take the long, especially since you're down. So please don't. How did you set your lines to have 1 hour and 4 hour text templates? Okay, so when I created the horizontal line, just double click on it, this box will appear, and type your text here. Hello, see? You can adjust it. You want it to be at the top, middle or bottom of the line, right, left, center, everything. Yeah. Here you could be retesting the daily zone. Yes, correct. Someone said it earlier as well. See, support on the left. Danger, danger. Which pair am I trading on? Only there's 3, not gold. Is it fine to continue with the uptrend after the pullback? There's no clear signs now for longs. The 1 hour closed weak. If anybody wants to try and trade the wick fill, it's dangerous and aggressive, but just trade carefully because it held above this area, but just be careful. Oh, you mean later in the day? I can only see this much being filled now. I don't know what time you trade until. Yeah. Is it good option to enter at the 15-minute bullish engulfing candle right now? Vikram, if you're... Where's the bullish engulfing? I don't see it. This one? This is open. No. You need a candle to... the bullish engulfing to close it. And I don't think this is a bullish engulfing, right? Shouldn't the bullish engulfing engulf the whole candle? I mean, that's what I understand. I don't think this is it. Yeah, Jao, it's not, right? My understanding is the bullish engulfing must eat the whole candle before it. Yeah, that's what I remembered. If current candle closes bullish engulfing, oh, wow, then your stop would be so big. Holy, that's a 25 pip stop. So, 25 pip stop on a 15-minute entry is just not right. Because 15-minute entries is when you take like impulse entries for that quick 10 pip move, right? Technically the 30-minute engulf. Yeah, I see this. But wow, look at this 1 hour, man. It's just so weak. I feel like if you wanted to really grab this wick fill, yeah, fine. By all means, go ahead. But if it flips back and bounces off this area, then yeah. Just be careful. Gold is bullish today. Daily shows bullish support at 1860.
Yeah, the 1 hour really weak.
But it could break out with... Okay, don't know what's that. This week to the downside or do a pullback before coming down again. Yeah, I guess. Wow, so many candle patterns. Okay, I don't really trade patterns, guys. I don't care for the names. I just read what the candle is telling me. If this 1 hour candle is weak, it could not even close above this area here, which is a 15-minute support, right? It's not going up. Not yet. Yeah. Yeah, so... Yeah, Emmanuel, you're right. Just wait for later. Yeah, what's up, Kevin? Jao, do you enter long or short? Ooh, from earlier? Like during London? Oh, okay, okay. Are you going for your wig fill? Yeah. There's this minor support here. Yeah, I see this here. 15 minutes holding this price. If it breaks below, right? I would want it to break below, then we can sell it. But this is just a really, really tight range, which is not tradable. Not now.
Yeah, so this is my trading idea.
Mm-hmm.
For me, I'm definitely entering. If price breaks the 135, the basically 135 646,
Mm-hmm.
I'll enter as an impulse entry.
Short, right?
For a sell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why
I think
impulse though?
Because I'm waiting for it to break it. If like I'll wait for it to close. Actually, yeah, I think I might wait.
Yeah,
I'm like,
look, see now that I
I
flicked
don't
it.
want to miss.
Yeah.
I don't want to miss the whole move.
Yeah. No, look, you have so much. You only grab 10, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have space. Because the thing is, you don't want to enter an impulse and then run into some problems with these wicks on the left. You get what I mean? Yeah. And plus, this is a 4-hour zone, man. If you look left, right, that's how. Let me just show you how I drew it up. Look at all these wicks. Oh, yeah. Sure, it broke like with this candle here and this candle here, but look at how long it held. That's like
But
one.
on the 30-minute, it's like it's creating a resistance. That's why one reason as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I get it too. But if you really wanted to take it short, I would rather you wait until the 30-minute closed at least. Then you would, at least it closed above this minor zone, below this minor zone, right? Then you would have some kind of slightly stronger confirmations to try to push through 135 600. Yeah.
I think this is what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So since this just the 30-minute just started, 7:07, I'm gonna see how the 15-minute closed.
Yes. Yeah. Look at that
And
one
then
first.
And the 15-minute close under,
that
would be a good entry. It like, so I think there, yeah.
Yeah. See
So,
how
like,
this.
let's see how the 15-minute closes.
Yeah, take it one step at a time because now it's too
Definitely,
early to tell what the 30 wants to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 50. I'm not gonna enter an impulse entry if the 15 minutes is not closed yet.
Yeah. I think firstly what you want to see on the 15 close is it must close below its own support here.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely has to close below. Yeah. Waiting for break of 135 672.
For this is what I'm thinking as well. Like for an impulse entry, let's say sometimes like 15-minute will break that support, like create a wick and come back and close above the support. So that's when I'm like where I'm ready for an impulse entry on the next 15-minute where once it starts to break that previous 15 minutes wick, then I will enter because it's like that wick is already past the support, but it closed above, and then the next candle starts breaking that and breaking the if it breaks that 15-minute wick, then that for me that's an ideal entry.
Wouldn't that just be a 30-minute resistance already?
Yeah, but it's like
then you will wait for this to break.
Yeah, because I'm seeing like a higher high, lower lows and lower highs. That's basically what's going on with the candle. If this 15-minute candle breaks and comes back, actually is okay. So you're
I actually don't see any trend now though. Honestly, this is just range. There is no clear trend. Like you're looking at the wicks, right? But the wicks honestly don't tell a story now. Yeah, it's just price really, it's just GJ really trying to grasp at the higher areas here and trying to hold, like push lower here. So it's really not telling you anything. Just look where the bodies are closing.
My line right now is like right here.
Where? Here?
Yeah.
Like,
this is my line.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I'm waiting for, if that breaks, that's where I want to break, and not this area you have.
Yeah.
But that area, if that area breaks, that this 15-minute breaks and creates a longer wick, and another
but this wouldn't
candle
give
comes
you.
and breaks it.
I don't think this gives you enough range for 10, right? This is only 6.
I'm thinking with momentum, it will be able to break. that 135,600.
Okay. Honestly, very risky.
Yeah.
It's really very risky. Because if you look at the wicks, right, only this one managed to push through, and this was during the volume timing of the 4-hour close, right? So
Yeah,
this
that week.
pushed lower,
Yeah,
and
that
then
week.
none of them managed even to hit beat around this area. So
Definitely, yeah. This last week is like a concern for me too.
Yeah.
It's telling me like price came to that area,
Mm-hmm.
and was rejected. So
Yeah.
I would want that to be broken as well. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, but we have to.
Guys have to remember that the market doesn't have to push down today, can consolidate right here. Yes. Yes, I totally agree. Let's have a look. Am I linked to market fluidity? I am in Raja's course. Clean move. Down. If this candle closes below this support with a stop loss below 17, I will enter sales. What is this price? Yeah, this is exactly what I said. So if this 15 must, number one, has to close below this, then you can consider. So where is this person's take profit? 135, 340. Let's see.
Oh, just one.
Yeah. That's what I meant. Because this is just shitty, man. This is really shitty. Like, I was really trying to dissuade you from the impulse entry. I swear, you will have gotten hurt.
Yeah, definitely. I want to see what this 15 minutes does.
Yeah.
If it closes, yeah.
Really.
It's too risky.
It's really risky.
I want it to go. Yeah.
What's
under
this?
135. 135,600 is really good. It breaks that.
Yeah.
Patient.
Yes.
I was this weekend. I was working on seeing why I was like losing last week, and and I did some back testing as well.
Yeah.
I noticed that like when I'm really patient, I have an idea I wanna like where I wanna enter. And that's like that idea is out of a consolidation area. It usually works for me. So,
yeah. I think you were taking more impulse entries last week as well. Because
was I?
Yeah. Because the 15, like last week, right, on GJ, the 15 was really like, it was very seductive. If I'm using the right words. If you look at the 15, you'll get entries all over the place, and then you get wicked out. Yeah. Because when
with that too, like I didn't have an idea. I was just like moving around. I would just see something, and I'm like, I didn't have like a resistance to the ideas, like just like the market. I would just look at the market, and like I would just go with the market, rather than I have an idea of myself, like where I want price to come to, then I will enter. I wasn't having those ideas basically. That's what I think.
Yeah.
Mentally, I was like, it wasn't good.
Yeah, I think I would suggest that since you're starting to do your tracking, right? Because you want to go on to your challenge, start to track your success rate on the impulse entries as well.
Okay.
Yeah. See how.
Yeah, I'm having a problem with setting up the journaling system.
Yeah.
When I just switch to Notion, it's like I'm creating the whole thing.
Notion has like it has a table format. You can use that to track as well.
Yeah. It has a lot of options too. So it's like you don't know which. I'm deciding.
Yeah. Whatever it is, just track it, because it will give you more confidence when you go for the challenge as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Joe.
My sales are gone. My God.
Chill, bro. At least you didn't lose money on it.
Yeah.
Imagine you took sales and then you lost money and your sales were gone.
I'm mad. I want to take a trade.
Yeah, Joe. I have like shots below. Yeah, it's the same thing as GJ, man. It needs to close below this stupid support here. Ay.
I'm not planning to take buys unless it goes
above 36. Yeah.
Yeah. It's too risky.
I got wicked out on EJ, but I entered again and caught by. Ooh, EJ is chopping as well. Danger. Yeah, Christopher, just be careful on the left, yeah, because we see a lot of consolidation on the left, and these are all like EJ just faking out and coming back into the range from last week. Because if we look at the 4 hour, right, they're all wicks. So just be careful if you're trading long. Bye bye, Lennis. Thank you. Do you trade EU? Not anymore. How can I join Zoom? The Discord link is on the YouTube description slide. Click it and then you'll have some info inside. Yeah, yeah, Christopher. I think that's a better plan. Save your money for tomorrow. Price started to reject and oh, this was a long under 5 minutes. 1865711. Bearish pressure weakening at 4 resistance, now support. Close position at 70, might expecting to reach the high at least at 1875. Oh, let's have a look. 1875. You entered at 1865. Okay. Looks good. I'm trading this range, I think. Looks good. Yeah, if you're out, then it's fine. Think we'll retest the high in New York without breaking the top wick, just coming close and drop back down. Yeah, I foresee. Where's the daily? Let's see. The best, I think, 136,400. The previous wicks on the left, but that's honestly a stretch. I think 136 will be probably within my session. You have a signal. What do I think? Yeah, nice relay. Sell now at 28. Well, if you want to take a sell, the candle's bullish. 1 hour is also bullish. So yeah.
I honestly don't see price breaking above 136.
Yeah, me too.
Just because, like on the higher time frames, like on the daily,
yeah,
that's like textbook double top or a lower high, you know.
Yeah.
So I think at this point we're just looking on lower time frames for the best entry for a sell.
Yeah. Right now, this whole area here.
Yeah, I think I agree with that. It's like the daily resistance is really, really strong.
Yeah.
It's like it might take tomorrow to break it, maybe.
I had a limit order at 34,425. Oh wow. Rick is all the way from the bottom. Damn.
But it like on the daily, if you look at it, it's like the price just like just mirroring each other right now. It's like
it's done though. It cleaned these 2 candles already. So now the last one is this area, right? This daily. But the problem with that is, hang on, let me get my mouse. So we cleared this, right? With this giant candle. So now the only one that's left to be cleared is this, but we have all this grossness going on.
Price is exhausted.
Yeah. Second try for the wick fill.
Man, I wish my time whatever it's called, my time was like yours, like Singapore. So I can trade London, I can trade everything.
Oh no, bro. I think you're gonna overtrade. No. It's actually better.
No, like I wouldn't overtrade though. Like this is what I would think. I would have my of course my discipline, but I would have more chances in there.
Yeah, if you have more chances.
Happen at the beginning of London Open. So that's the trade for the day, and I'm done.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because like sometimes like moves happen when I'm sleeping, and then when I wake up and I'm trying to trade, there's no move, just like today.
Yeah.
So you have like the chance the opportunity to like to actually.
Yeah, but I don't even come on till like much later.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. I
It's funny
don't even
because,
come on for like the London Open, man.
Oh man.
Yeah. I come
Yeah,
I
that's a long stream.
yeah. I start at
That'll be a
like
long-
5 a.m., right? Eastern.
Uh,
And I trade till the London close. That's all. And London opens at like 3 a.m. Eastern. I don't even trade that volume. That's why I missed the bottom part here. Yeah, but it's fine. You know, I'm already
Crazy.
sitting here for like 7 hours, man. No. Yeah.
I marked up GJ like right before I went to sleep when it was in consolidation, and I was really hoping that it would consolidate until the New York session. I think I was a little too optimistic.
Yeah.
Everyone hopes for that, man.
Yeah.
I don't know how Raja caught the trade though. Like was he up at 3 a.m.? It was like
No, he did it based on
he
a
had a buy
swing.
stop.
Yeah. He was swinging it.
I'm back, by the way.
Yeah.
was it from like an Asian session that he caught it? And then
Yeah.
let it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
It was a swing. His stops were so big. Yeah.
Oh.
So it was a swing, definitely. I don't think it's comfortable.
Yeah, I really want to learn like first I need to get good at scalping, but after that I want to get good at swinging as well. So I can,
Yeah. One step at a time.
yeah, definitely. That's why I'm like not even look. I don't look at any other pairs or anything else except GJ and how I can scalp.
Yeah. So Chris says, thing is, it's easy to look back at trades like that at London Open, and these things have happened at New York Open or close. So yes, FOMO is easy and you end up chasing the trades 100%. Yeah. If you see moves like that, like big moves, I think some people were like, oh my god, I want to catch something. But you really just gotta wait. So I think some of us caught it earlier. Somewhere here. And then bam! This was enough. You don't need the whole thing if you traded it with the right size. the guy in the car made my day, gotta love it. AJ, you look like a complete baller.
What? I'm stuck in traffic, so I thought I'd hop on.
Don't worry, you're not missing anything. GJ is just chopping.
Look at this. How do you even?
Yeah, look at this. You can't even
How do
trade
you
it.
flip? I don't know how to flip, but anyways, I'm stuck in traffic.
How is that traffic, man?
So bad. It's like GJ right now. It's stuck in traffic.
There's no need to force a trade. There'll be some day where you won't have any. Yeah. Patience. I'm gonna put it here again. Patience. I'll make this really big.
Yeah, patience is really
Patience. Yes. Patience. He looks like AJ, you look like you're in a Rolls Royce. And then your driver's driving you around town.
Nah, I'm actually driving.
Be careful.
No, it's all good. Everything in Saudi is legal.
Even using your phone while you're driving?
I mean, just recently.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
But I know the spots where there's cameras, so it's cool.
A drop towards 135.
Wait, you say it's legal to use your phone while driving?
No, he says he just knows where the where the cameras are. I guess it's technically still illegal. Just don't get caught. Right?
If you think it's crazy, it's actually legal to drink and drive in like Germany and stuff.
Oh really?
Right. Isn't it in German? Like,
the speeding, or no, the using the phone ticket here, if you do get it, it's like 300 reals, which equates to like $30 something or something like that.
Oh.
No, $50.
No wonder.
So that's just that's half a trade.
Isn't like in German, like the drinking age is like 16 or something?
Yeah.
Pretty sure drinking
And I
age
think in
is-
Germany they have no speed limit, right, in the highways.
What?
they just have like they have
They
some
literally
sections.
have they literally have no speed limit. Like you can go
They
like
have like sections in the highway, so like they have the autobahn. The autobahn isn't like the whole highway. It's just like certain sections of it in like the middle of nowhere.
What's their crash rate? That's what I want to know. Is it
It's
bad?
actually not as high. It's actually pretty funny.
Yeah, now I'm questioning. Like, so I wanted to go like touring on my bike in Europe. Now I'm questioning that decision. I don't think I want to be on the road on a bike. Okay, let's rethink that. Okay, wait. A drop towards 135, 300 would be golden buys after confirmation. Oh wow, Vikram, we're not even near there. Yeah. No. Let's handle this area first. Yeah.
patience.
Patience.
I like that.
Hold your horses. Damn, I'm definitely not gonna ride my bike then. I feel like I'm probably gonna fly off the highway.
Yeah, it's only in Germany though. It's not everywhere.
Wow.
It's fun as hell though.
I literally I want to go to Germany just for that, just to drive, like rent out like a supercar, and like just drive in the highway.
Wow.
Yeah, we rented out a AMG when I was touring out there, and we're going like 205 on the autobahn.
Wow.
Yep.
Insane.
So fun.
Miles per hour as well. So that's like 307
Shit.
kilometers.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it was wild.
Oh my god. 3 more minutes. 30 is about to close. Wow, this 30 is not getting out of its 30 range. Hey, why are you judging my bike, Emil?
Oh my god. Yeah. Don't go driving in Germany, please.
I wanted to ride in Italy.
I think Italy would be nice.
But I wanted to ride like through Europe. But now you guys are saying like there's no. Oh man. Yeah.
I want to go to Greece.
Oh yeah.
Never been.
I hit someone in Greece on the island.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah, I hit someone. But I was going so slow, so it's fine. I hit him. My side view mirror just bent backwards, and then.
Yeah, if you're in the US, that would have been a lawsuit.
Yeah. Yep. AJ, everyone's worried about you. He's not
Why?
trading, don't worry. He's just listening to me talk.
best way to get rich in America is through a lawsuit.
Exactly.
Just get some rich guy to hit you with the car, or like something.
Nah, so my last 2 years in the US, my brother got in a car accident. He had an Infiniti. He got in a car accident with some girl driving like a Honda, and apparently she worked for McDonald's or something like that. So both of our cars got totaled.
Oh my god.
Right? Both their cars got totaled. My brother's car and her car got totaled. 6 months later, we get a big ass fat envelope in the mail with a lawsuit for $1 million. I was like, what? It was a legit lawsuit. She was legit suing us for $1 million. And her reasoning was because she lost her job due to getting back pain from the accident. So she lost her job. So she's suing me. She was suing my brother, and she was suing her job, and she was suing her job's insurance company, which didn't pay for her medical bills.
Wow.
So she was suing everybody. Obviously.
Hey, you said she was working where?
At McDonald's.
Wow.
At McDonald's?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. McDonald's healthcare didn't cover her medical expenses. She had to pay out of pocket. And then eventually, she lost her McDonald's job. And the reason why she lost all that, because she got in an accident.
Wow.
She was suing everybody. The health insurance company, McDonald's, and my brother.
So what happened?
I had insurance, so the insurance took care of the lawsuit, but the insurance ended up settling for $250,000.
Oh my god, she got $250,000?
That's insane.
Yeah, just from me, just from my insurance company. I don't know how much McDonald's paid out, and I don't know how much the health insurance paid out.
The bulk of it probably went to the lawyer.
That's my next. That's like my next move. that's why there's like a lot of videos.
The thing is, like the lawyer for our insurance company actually like looked her up, and she's like known for this kind of stuff.
Oh.
So she's done this before.
Oh, she knows.
Like she'll sue anybody.
Damn.
That's why you see a lot of videos on YouTube, like people trying to fake like getting hurt. Like they come in front of the car, like they wait for some car, and they try to get hit, and like you hit me or whatever. But yeah, you have to have a camera all times.
Yeah, we used to have like this old man. Yeah, we used to have this crazy. There was a period of time where there were like crazy old men just running across the road, trying to like jump on cars to pretend that they got into an accident. But they would run across slow moving cars. Like when the cars were just moving away from the traffic light, they would run and then stand in front of the car. And then when the car like stopped, like literally just a bit from them, right, they would just jump on the hood, and then they would be like, oh.
Yeah.
What the hell, man? But almost every Singaporean has a car camera, so that was just really dumb. So there were a lot of like stupid videos playing on YouTube at that point in time.
Is there like a law for that? If you do that and you get caught, like you get imprisoned or something?
Well, they are so old. What do you want to do with them?
You put them in the prison so they don't do it again.
You do realize we are not very big, right?
For something similar to that in Korea when I was on tour there too. So like when people get in a car accident in Korea, it's whoever like incurred the most damages and pain is not at fault. So they would literally have a battle in the middle of the street of like, oh my back, oh my neck, like
oh my fake nose. Oh my goodness.
Punch yourself real quick, get a black eye.
Wow. In the UK, they literally don't care. Wow. Shit, man. This is wild.
Honestly, if you just focus on your stuff, like you can do a lot of things, but people just like give up, or I don't know how they get into that mindset. But I can never think of myself doing that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess people have their own circumstances, but man.
Yeah. Zhao, are you out of your trade? Like it almost failed. GJ's ping.
Oh, it came back down.
Yeah. This 15-minute
Yeah,
post
let's
with
go,
no
GJ. Come down.
no, Zhao's in long. No.
Oh, who's in the trade?
Zhao.
Oh,
yeah,
Zhao,
I think
man.
he closed part. It's like, oh, this GU. I was looking at the wrong thing. Sorry, my bad. Yeah.
Oh, is he in GJ or GU?
GJ. He wanted to fill this 30-minute wait.
Sorry, man, but you should not be in consultation.
Nah, but he always trades the Wakefield for 10.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, that's your
his
plan.
Yeah, that's his move.
Sometimes it's not gonna work. Okay. That was the one who got
you guys see
10%,
Mac
right?
kicked out today? That's hilarious.
Yeah. But he was taking really risky trades, I must say.
Yeah,
Yeah, he was.
too much.
Yeah.
He was the one who got the 10%, right?
I don't know. He went buys and then immediately he just flipped it and went shorts. Like, what the hell, man?
Oh my god, what?
Yeah, that's why Raja kicked him. That's just serious over trading. How can you go buys and then immediately go short? That's just weird. If anyone took the signal nice, I don't think it's very nice. I think you didn't go very far actually, Sly, from what I remember of the price.
Yeah,
but
discipline is really, really important.
yeah,
Discipline is important in life and in trading.
100%. Oh, he's gone. Oh, he's not gone. Oh, he's going to work. Okay, is market fluidity a beginner's course? No. You need to go and like learn free stuff from Baby Pips. At least get the what's that? The terminology right so that you understand.
Yeah, the knowledge.
Yeah, so you understand what
Wait.
Raja is talking about inside the course, but he doesn't teach you from the basics because you can get all those info for free.
Hold on. What is the basics of trading basically?
Look, you don't need
Understanding
like a
or-
course to teach you these things. That's what I mean. Let me see. So like you don't need a course to teach you like the timings of Forex.
Oh,
Yeah, like candles. Yeah, I don't think you need.
oh, they have the Japanese candlestick here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't learned my candlesticks.
Yeah, but honestly, you just need to understand why the candlestick forms like that. Yeah.
I think the best is for me to like just to be in the market and like just practice on the demo and see why it didn't work out.
Yeah.
Pattern recognition.
Yeah.
That's what you need.
Sam, I think the London closes later. Yeah. Ends in an hour and 24.
Joust and
Let's have a look. Oh, hey, Rob. Hello. Yeah, this was GU. It literally has not really moved. This is the close that I think you won. Oh, wrong chart. Okay.
Did he enter just now or?
I don't think he's in yet. Right? Oh, he's in.
Oh.
Oh, this is GJ.
Oh, that's the
Sorry.
one?
This is GJ.
Yeah.
This is his big fill.
Yeah.
Noise. But now it's
I think-
GJ.
I think why it didn't work is like it was like that. You can see there's two wicks. One's like the one was higher, and then the next one didn't even break that high.
Mm,
So it's like,
yeah. But it's the same thing for the lows, right? So this was lower and nothing broke that low. So
yeah,
stuck. 100% stuck.
you can see even like it actually shows you like. Let me annotate. This is what I meant. Like you can see this happen right here. This candle happened just like this one.
Mm-hmm.
You see my
Yep.
annotation? And then just like that. And then the next wick was smaller.
Yeah, so because you wanted to go short, right?
No, for him, for Giles, like
Oh,
so. Then the third one was like it didn't even like right here. The third one did not even come close
yeah.
to this area. So you could say, oh, I wanted to wick fill this. It was the same as this one, so it wasn't a good trade.
Yeah.
But yeah, for me,
Tough,
I'm
tough,
definitely
tough.
waiting for it to break.
Yeah. That's why I think you secured some early as well, so that's good.
But he secured some. Okay, that's
Yeah, he
that's
did.
good.
He did.
Okay.
Yeah. So GU is breaking. So I want to see this 30 break below. So then we would have. Okay, so there's some kind of 30-minute support here as well. But if. Let's have a look at GU for a setup. Yeah, I think if it closes, this 1 hour candle closes back below 286, right? Should be a nice sell down. And I think that is Giles' trade earlier. This one. Yeah, that's the one. What
Hey, Al.
is... Yeah, what's up?
So I'm like just starting to get into USD pairs
Mm-hmm.
just because the spreads are like a lot lower than everything else. But like how exactly does GU like move on the regular?
Overall, the structure is fairly similar to GJ. It's just that it's slower. Yeah. If you look at it, right, so let me just put the charts next to each other. They move fairly similarly in terms of like the overall move. So the blue one's GJ. So if you look at it, and I put it on the 4-hour, right? If you look at the way they're moving, it's fairly similar in terms of the direction and all that. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just that GU is slower, that's all. That's why sometimes if I miss GJ, right, I would just try to see if GU is giving me something. But the problem with GU is when there's news, like US news for that day, then I don't touch it. Yeah, other than that, if there's no pound or like US news for the day, then yeah, it's fine.
So is the pip count different since it's
Yes.
5 decimal places instead of 3?
Yes, it's different. Yeah, and the movements are not as large as GJ as well. Yeah. Oh yeah, gold is ranging too. Look, it rejected your zone earlier, Khalid. Remember 1873? That 1 hour zone? Yeah, I rejected it.
Oh yeah.
When you were cooking.
I realized that
When you went to cook.
I missed that.
Yeah. Oh man, that was $5. That was like 50 pip move. But it's okay. Wow, today. Let's have a look at this hour close. What is my TradingView username? I don't think it matters because I don't think you can see my charts, Prince Palesh.
Yeah, this whole broker thing is like super confusing. The new broker that I'm with, their max leverage is 50-1, but they start you off 1-1, and then you have to put in a request to make it like a higher leverage.
Oh damn.
So the smallest lot size I can go on gold this morning when I tried to sell it was a standard lot, and I was so confused.
Damn. But at least it's like better than here. I think here we reduced our leverage to maximum 1:50. Yeah. And our spreads are gross, so.
Yeah, my spreads are my ratio is like I think 1-400.
Yeah.
Yeah, not 1-400.
Ooh. Yeah, Sly. Just don't over leverage. Don't over leverage, don't over risk, don't over trade. Oopsie.
When I started trading, I was at like they like everybody that I was trading with like advised people to go like 1-500.
What? That's insane.
Yeah, like it was so crazy because I was like I didn't understand like what leveraging meant.
Yeah.
You know, so I was like, okay, 1-500.
Yeah, obviously
you know?
they will want you to go to 1:500, right? Because that's the easiest way to blow an account.
Exactly.
Yeah, they want you to blow the account because when you blow the account, the money goes to them, right? Yeah. In my entire 7 years, I've never gone like 1-500. The max I went was like 200, I think.
Yeah, once I figured it out, I lowered it to 200.
Yeah. Let's
Because
see.
like once
Honestly, I don't even. Somebody explain this to me because I have no idea what that is until now.
you have to realize that so with leveraging, you're basically magnifying your account. So
Yeah.
like say you have like $1,000 in it, now they're allowing you to trade with an account size of $500,000.
Shit.
So even though that you're magnifying your gains, you're also magnifying your losses whenever you
Okay,
do
but is
trade.
there a difference if I put like one standard, right? Is there a difference? Is my one standard different than your one standard?
It will be
No,
different.
there's no
Yeah, it will be different in terms of your margin requirements, but
Yeah, it's the
the
margin,
units and lot sizes will still be the same. It's just that your like for
So
example,
pretty much from what I'm understanding is
Yeah.
that I'm able to do a bigger lot size than somebody that has a less of a leverage.
technically
exactly.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, it doesn't matter, right? Because you're gonna be either way. You're gonna be doing risk management. So
Yeah, that's if you do it.
that's what
Yeah, that's
that's
if you
in a
do it.
utopia,
Yeah.
but not a lot of people use risk management, so
Yeah.
it's pretty dangerous.
Because if you don't, and then you keep taking like, let's say for example, like I have a 1:200, and then like maybe Khalid has like a 1:.
MashaAllah, Antina.
Oh, he's not muted.
Antina,
There was some private conversation. Yeah, I think it would matter if like I had a 1:200 and you had a 1:500, and you traded like 3 trades versus my 1 trade. I think your account will blow up so much faster. Because your margins would have to be way more, right? The margin requirements. There's that as well. AJ, you were saying hi to someone, and then we all heard it.
Oh, I said hi to somebody?
I don't know, you were talking to someone, I think.
No, I have no idea. But yeah, if you have risk management and you're doing, your proper risk per trade, it doesn't matter. It shouldn't matter what leverage, right?
Yes. I think risk management is key. You can go 1:500, but if you have risk management, you should be fine. Yeah. But I don't think many brokers, like regulated ones, have 500, right? I think.
Yeah, so my broker is regulated, so he started me off with the 1 to 200.
Yeah.
And then once he saw that I was a decent trader,
Yeah.
They told me that you can increase it if you want.
Yeah.
So it's like give it to me, whatever. It doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
I didn't know what it meant.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the US brokers that are like regulated are 150 max.
Yeah. Will your broker stop you at any
Kind of
point
fine.
with 1:500 leverage on a big drawdown? Yes. Yes, they will, because you get stopped faster on a 1:500 leverage if you... Okay, so for example, if you have like a big drawdown and you didn't adjust your position size properly, right, Jeremy? Versus, for example, it's a 50 pip drawdown and then you didn't adjust your position size, you would get stopped faster than a 1:200 leverage, for sure. Yeah. Yeah, GU is breaking down on the hour. So I only put 1% to my account with broker and use his leverage. They can declare bankruptcy, never commit full count. Yeah, of course. Should we go for sales? Make vision, I'm still... GJ is a mess. I'm actually looking at GU. So GU right now on the hour, if it breaks below 128,600, it might be good for shorts. So I would want it to break this support as well.
I just have a funny story when it comes to a broker.
Yeah.
So I used to be with another broker.
Yeah.
Before I'm out, the one that I'm out with right now.
Yeah.
So the reason why I left that broker is actually better than the one that I'm in right now. But why did I leave? So randomly one day, out of nowhere, right, for no reason, I get a deposit into my trading account for $4,000.
Oh damn, money laundering.
Like literally, I got it into my trading account, 4,000, right?
Wow.
And I was like, yo, if they realize, they're gonna take it back. So like I withdrew everything. I withdrew everything, and then it came to my account.
Yeah.
I started looking for other brokers.
Yeah.
And then like they finally realized like a month later, they said that I left or whatever. They started calling me like, oh, come back. You know, you can have that 4,000, you can keep it, just come back. And I was like, nah, I'm not coming back. Because the second I just deposited any money, they're gonna take me.
Free 4,000.
Yeah, literally.
Damn the scammers.
Yeah.
Right, literally. I was like, I'm not giving you guys money back. You pretty crazy.
That's their fault. Right.
Yeah, literally. Glitching your system. Okay.
Okay, be right back.
I'm just waiting on the day that Wells Fargo becomes a broker.
Wait, will they?
No, it was because they scam a lot, so some shit like that will probably happen.
Wells Fargo be scamming? Never had though.
There's some big scammers out there in Wells Fargo.
The big banks are, yeah, they're all scammers. Just be stealing. They be creating their own money. Bro. Like, I don't even understand like the fact about it's called the whole monetary system. Or big scam. You make money yourself, and then you give it to the people, and then the people get in debt. And then once they get in debt, they have to give you their houses. Now you have the real wealth.
That's crazy. The cycle of money in America is it's messy. Like you don't even want to like get into that. This is not the right.
Is it like
stream.
that with every country though, or is it just America? Because
Honestly, like, I
every
haven't really
country
looked
has
into
the banking system.
Right, but I don't know. It's just something about America's banking system that just like seems a little off to like everyone.
Yeah, America's the forefront. That's it's the boss. America's the boss, but I think there's just all these banks, especially what is it called, the national banks. If they're creating their own money, yeah, the central banks, yeah, I think they're all just big smack. Yeah.
Yeah, this 30-minute close is gonna have a humongous stop loss on GU, so
I'm getting ready to blast off.
yeah, blast down. It's going to go down, down, down. Yeah.
GJ,
But
waiting for it to
GJ,
close.
yeah, GJ also. So on GU, okay, here's the game plan for GU that I'm seeing. I want this 30 to close below, and then so now it's looking good because it's closing lower than this support here, right, on the 30. And then I want to take the retest down. So we have about an hour more to the London close. So if I end up taking GU, then maybe no GJs for me, because GJ is still stuck above 135,600. Yeah, GU looks better for now.
Well, GJ is breaking as well. So
Yeah, but it's still above 135.6.
Oh, yeah. I'm planning to enter after this closes. Look at
Just
it.
watch for the wicks, yeah. Just watch for the wick.
Yeah, just broke the low.
Yeah, it's big.
Maybe enter with a 50%.
GJ target 135.25. 135. Yeah, I have a target at 135.300. Really. Oh, okay, deleted. Okay, never mind.
I think I'm planning to enter with a 50% of my usual lot size.
Yeah. I just.
Because it's 20 pips. Usually, if it's 10 pips, I'll enter with 1%.
Yeah.
But if it's 20 pips, that makes it basically 1%. If it's 20 pips, I go with 50%.
But GJ does just watch out for the wick, the bottom wick, right? Because every time there's a baby wick, we all seen how that comes back to smack us. So yeah, that's why I'm looking at GU.
Price closes with no wick.
Between the 4-hour level and the clean candle, why is 4 hours still significant as the left candle is clean? GJ.
This is what I like about it. It's the new. It's gonna be the new 1 hour. It's gonna be the new 30 minutes. So
This one here.
I
Yeah, so SE, because yeah, I know that the candles broke it going up and down, but the thing is, I just want to keep a note of it because this area here, right, you see so many wicks that GJ tested before. So when I'm approaching the area, I just want to be a bit more careful. Yeah, because the likelihood of it bouncing is still there. Because if we look at this fake out here, this was the BOE interest rate news day. If you look at the bullish candle, right, it moved all the way up and then it closed somewhere near the area as well. So I'm just being a bit more cautious with GJ, and I'm keeping this level on. Yeah, that was the reason why.
I feel this.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Hope everyone's doing well.
Hey Brandon, what's up?
I just secured about 10 pips, entered off the 5 minute on the anticipating the minor support to get broken on GJ.
Yeah.
I felt comfortable with it even though we had lots of bull volume during London.
Oh, GJ's breaking. 5 minute, interesting. So are you all out already?
Yeah, I'm out already. I just secured 10 pips.
Nice, nice.
That's nice. See this going. I see catching at least 15.
Yeah, I would personally I would prefer GU over GJ. So I will not take them both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna take them both. If the pound
Chaotic.
Yeah, if the pound flips, I'm screwed. I'll just get slapped 2 times by the GBP. Yeah, I gotta choose.
Yeah, and it's like it's hard to concentrate.
Yeah. So it's breaking below this low. 1 hour's closing bearish as well. Yeah. Looks good to come down to this area. Yeah. Let's see on the next candle. Because I see a lot of like minor zones on the left, like here. So this area, essentially, this whole area is problematic, right, for GJ? For GU.
For a retest on GU, will it be like quick or?
On this, let me just see. I think it's 11 now. Yeah, I think I would be able to wait for 2 15-minute candles, at least. Yeah, it's not going to be just a wick, I think. I need to see how the 1 hour closes. If it closes without a bottom wick, right, then oh, I don't like it. Then, even though it's clean on the left. Yeah, 1 more minute.
Yeah, ready.
Is GJ broken? Oh, it's still there. Oh,
Yeah,
oh, there it is. It broke. It's trying to break. Okay.
I think for me that's a break.
Where would you put your stop though?
Above I'm putting it above the candle because if it's coming back after, I don't expect it to come back.
Above this 15 candle?
Actually the 30 minute.
Oh wow, that's big.
Yeah. Is how many pips?
It's like 25, man. Why don't?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm using a smaller glass size.
Okay. But technically, if you broke above this support, you wouldn't want it already, right?
What is it?
If it broke above this minor support on the 15, you wouldn't want it already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not in yet.
It's looking like it's coming back.
Yeah, they always pull back first. That's why I don't enter immediately on the close. Yeah, but this close was good. So 30-minute close below this support, what I wanted. 1 hour also close with a wick below. leaving me some room to go down. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for the wick to fill, and then I'll probably have my stop loss somewhere above this area here. $15, yeah. So what I'm thinking is half now and half on the retest. That's also fine, because this was a good close.
I started the week off really good last night with some pending orders.
Oh,
Yeah.
during
So,
Asia?
or no, during London session.
Ah,
I
okay,
live
okay.
on the Pacific Coast, so I missed like the first part of the stream. Yeah, I had a really good morning, so I have to check right now, but I think I just met my weekly goal.
Oh damn, you need to go off now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Um,
that's good, man. It was a nice move
Yeah, I
during
think-
London.
oh, beautiful move.
Yeah.
And I was anticipating it. I was anticipating it, so I really kind of leaned in to some buys, with some pending orders, and because I mean you could just like the price action on the 4-hour, just like slowly creeping up,
Yeah.
making higher lows on the 4-hour.
Yeah.
So I mean it just looks so beautiful to come up,
Yeah.
and it did, and yeah, like the last 3 Sundays. Like I pretty much like just make all my percent on like Sunday nights,
Ooh,
and then like the rest of the week I just spend the week trying to like not lose money,
that's good.
not
Yeah.
lose whatever I made on Sunday night. Like I just made 4.4%, like
Yeah.
4.5%.
Yeah.
So the rest of the week now I'm just gonna have reduced risk and just be really picky and choosy about whatever my market orders are.
Yeah.
Um,
Sounds like a plan. It's nice to start the week strong. But then you need a
Just
lot
cause-
of control to stay out of the market.
oh yeah, absolutely. And
Yeah.
you know, I have other things keep me busy, like driving Uber, stuff
Yeah.
like that, and
Yeah, you probably can drive less now since you hit your target. Yeah, the YouTube is going congrats.
yeah, well, we're getting there. Just
One step
building
at a
up
time.
consistency,
Yeah.
one step at a time.
Yeah.
I'm not in any rush.
135, 35. Yeah, I'm not in yet. It's not coming down. Yeah, Sean, 10 pip gain would depend on your size. Yeah. So are you done for today, Brendan? Like, no more trades for you today, right?
Oh no, definitely no, no.
Yeah,
Not at
honestly,
all.
you don't even need this. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even need those 10 pips right there, but I risked like 0.5%.
Yeah.
So which is like not much. It was just kind of playing around with the profits I've made. But yeah, I'm done. I mean, there's no reason I'm by not doing anything from now on. Like I'm actually doing more.
Yes.
Which is like it's ironic because like you think with your job, whatever your job is, like the more you do around the warehouse, the more you do around town, whatever you're doing, you're driving, I do delivery, whatever it is, you get paid for more hours. Like you get paid extra time, overtime. But with trading, it's like the opposite. You have to really get into the mindset of I can reach my weekly goal in like 2 trades. That's it.
Yeah, that's the best, man. We all started trading because we don't want to be stuck at a job for like a few hours of a day, right?
Yeah, you want
if you
more
chain
freedom.
yourself, yeah, if you chain yourself to the desk, trading more hours than an office job, then that's a bit off. Yeah.
Mhm.
I used to work like 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours easily every single day. Wow, that was gross.
Exactly why I can't wait to get out the army.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm in school now, so I'm able to, trade in the mornings. But I mean, before, working 14 hours a day
Yeah.
and barely making it, and now being able to trade for 2 to 5 hours a day.
Yeah.
And just chilling out, like
That's the life. Then everyone can join me on my island here. What island on my display pic? Yeah. I'm not in GU yet, so it still has not come down. I want it to reject this support here on the 30-minute and then come down. So I'm not in yet. Yeah, we get paid to wait. That is so true.
Getting smacked by GJ.
Yeah, GJ was tough because GJ didn't close below 135.6. Have you cut half?
Yeah.
Yeah. Even GU, I'm not in yet.
I really thought it would respect.
No, it needed to break first. Yeah, it really needed to close below. Like the wicks don't count. Because wicks are just price attempting, but it didn't confirm the move down. It needed to close to confirm it. So like GU closed. That's why I considered this over GJ. You get what I mean?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you like reduced your risk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which island am I? No, this is not my island. I live in a city. I want to be on an island. I think I want to go to Bali the moment this whole lockdown thing is over. Probably go chill there for a month or something.
Bali.
Yeah, Bali. How many trades do I take on average? 3. Sure, Winnie. But no yoga for me, thanks. No yoga. Oh, EJ came back into the range. So EJ is stuck within this high 1 hour range between 122.880 and 12300. So what's my weekly target? Oh, target. I actually don't put a number on it. So I try to break it down to bite size because I found that if I have a target, right, I tend to chase. So I just make sure that I take good trades every single trade. That's why if you look at the way I'm trading, I'm really picky with my entries because I know I only have 3 bullets a day. Yeah, and if I hit them well, then per day that's about 2 to 4%. Yeah. We should have a Bali retreat.
Yeah.
Every single opportunity trade. No, future way, only trade when there's a setup. Yeah. Do you think it's valid to get in on the top of the retest when there's clean traffic on the left? Also, my stops are a lot smaller than if I waited for it to flip. Mike, GU or GJ? I think it's GU, right? Yes, Bali, Indonesia, correct. Oh, trust me, I've been to Bali like 4 to 5 times. Emil, you going off? GU, but in general, would that be a good strategy? Let's see. Let me see. Valid to get in on the top of the retest when there's clean traffic. No. I think you need, so if you're going in on the pullback, right? You would then need to wait for a candle to form in your direction. So if you're entering like this on this bullish candle, it's really risky. Yeah. Just wait for the next candle to flip down in your direction. So yeah, I'm still waiting. So this 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna be waiting for a new resistance to form on the 15 of this area to come down short. Yeah, this area here. So this is done. Now we wait. 45 minutes more till the London close. Is the news over? I think so. So apparently, I guess it should be. Oh wait, she just said something. Exchange rate is not policy target. I don't think she's saying anything that would really move the market. So GJ was a fake out. Fake out of where? No, it's still coming down. It's just not coming down below 135,600 yet. The stuff on baby pips is like I've seen this in some people's courses. So much information here for free.
So I'm thinking to close full because price just closed with no wick.
Oh, you're still in?
Oh, like I closed the 50%, but
oh
still did not
yes.
hit my stop loss.
Yeah, there's no bottom wick.
But right now, it's like the 15-minute closed with no wick. the downside. Does that show like there's no there's not a sell at this moment?
Yeah, yeah. Plus, the previous 30 didn't it closed above, so that was risky too. Bye, Adrian. Yeah. It's okay if you close it and then if it pops back down below this area, you will get better shots. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I just don't like it. Yeah, I'm just
Yeah, it's
in my entry. Back to my
it should be near your entry price, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
this is where I entered.
Ah, okay,
Exactly.
okay.
Right now I'm in actual profit right now.
Just close it in that tiny bit of profit. Just be careful. Okay, GU closed bullish. Now this candle is closing bearish. We are on the way. So I will wait for... I'm not taking impulse entries on the short. I will wait for this 15 to close. Right, so those that want to take impulse entries, just be careful. But this is a good thing. 15-minute closed, rejecting this 1286 level, the 1 hour zone, and then now this one is forming the resistance on the 15, so that's a good thing. Bye, Zhao. Oops, I just saw this. So for tomorrow, let's have a look at news. Nothing during London, that's good. Only some German news, and then we have... Oh no, Bailey is speaking tomorrow. Uh-oh. He's back. Yeah, so Bailey is back. Asia looks clean as well. Yeah. Hey Khalid, I'm seeing you later, right?
Yeah, sorry, I was muted.
No, it's right. Just needed to check.
I mean, that's good. It's a resistance, right?
This one here?
Yeah, it's called a resistance, right?
Yeah. But the thing about this is it also wicked right to the support. Yeah, so I
Yeah.
really need it to close below. If not, it's iffy. I feel like I might bounce because this area here is like support. So if we do it like this is what GU is doing now. So it's a bit dangerous as well. This is definitely no entry yet.
That's it.
Everybody's quiet.
Yeah, I know, right? Like I'm on the verge of like turning on music. I'm just doing some. I'm just going through your journals. Yeah, GU is so just now when this 30-minute candle actually flipped bullish, right? If it closed back above 128,600, then that would be a fake out. But now it did this. So now I gotta wait for
Yeah.
like another half an hour. Yeah. Yeah, GJ did nothing as well. It's just ranging. So a high chance there won't be an entry on this close.
Yeah, probably buys above and then buys sells below the range.
Yeah, yeah.
Honestly, I'm done for today. No,
Yep.
no trades today anymore.
Yeah. So if anyone wants to buy anything, these are clean
Yeah.
areas.
It's a bummer.
It's okay, it's only Monday. Just cap your
Yeah, yeah.
losses. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it already did a big move too. So
Yeah.
it could be like what it did last week. We had a big move on Monday, and then consolidated for like the whole week in a range. So yeah, just be careful.
Yep. Because the last week when GJ did that whole 100 pip move, right? It ranged
Yeah.
the rest of the week.
Exactly.
So
That's
I
what
think
happened.
yeah, I think it might do it this week as well. Seeing that we have NFP. So I'm just
Yeah.
that's why I'm just chilling. Bye Daniel. Yeah, so if anyone wants to go off, I really don't think there'll be anything.
Yeah, I'm about to head out too.
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye.
Did the trade not work out for you?
Yeah, so the 30-minute, so now I'm just waiting to see if it forms resistance, which is honestly highly unlikely. So I'm just chilling. Yeah, so if you want to go off, I really don't think there'll be any more trades.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even for GJ, it's creating lower lows
GG's.
and lower highs, but it's still inside the consolidation. So if you go to the 15-minute, you can see this next candle closes bearish. You can see like there's like a trend line being created.
Come nearer, come nearer.
Oh,
Yeah.
so what I was saying was 15-minute candle for close bearish. You can see there's a trend line being created.
Ooh, okay. Would you then be reaching? Like, I know you're trying to see this, right? But would you then be trying to force something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to force something.
Yeah. Because now you're reaching. You've never had never heard you say trend lines before.
Oh yeah. I mean, I don't really focus on trend line that much, but I'm just seeing like as the lower lows and lower highs are being created in the higher time frame, it looks messy on the higher time frame.
No, I think as long as price is stuck within this area here,
that's the problem.
Yeah, there's really just no trade. And
because that's what we look for. Like if we're trading, if this was like in a normal like clean area, like when prices and then this was, let's say, on the 30-minute, I would definitely enter if this next candle closes like a bearish and creating a resistance, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
If that 15-minute structure was on the 30-minute structure, you know what I mean.
To trade it short, yeah,
because this is like a clean, because you would just creating a low, created low, and then it created higher low, and then created a lower low.
Yeah.
Then now it's like here, if it creates a bearish candle, that would have been like a lower high.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then the trade would be to go to that line, to that lower.
Possibly.
But yeah, the problem is it's in the consolidation zone. 15-minute.
Yeah.
A lot of problems.
Yep.
It's Monday.
It's more, yeah, and it's Monday. And GJ already moved really quite a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm done. If I stay too long, I will enter another trade.
Yeah. Just
like,
go off and enjoy your day.
Yeah, I would be like, this looks good.
Yeah, even for GU, look, it's trying to go back in already. So it's definitely gonna start ranging within this area here. So honestly, I don't think I'll be taking anything.
How do you do your backtesting? When do you backtest, right?
Yeah, I do it on
software.
Yeah, I use that.
How do you journal? How do you when you trade? What do you look for?
For that one, exactly the same things as what I do on GJ. Yeah, so I just draw up starting from the weekly on Mondays. So I'll do it for like 1 week stretch. So I'll start the Mondays analyzing from the weekly down, and then I'll just trade it.
Okay.
Yeah, but I won't go for like long stretches. I just do it in 1 week blocks.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like do you just practice as like just putting in the time, or just do you as well like journal, or like if you see something great like that you want to see again in the future with other trades?
So so there are some most of the time I know what kind of setups I'm taking, right? But if there's something I'm taking that's out of the ordinary, then I'll journal it down. Like I'll do a markup of it, because I'm already familiar with what I'm looking out for on my charts.
Yeah.
So if I'm taking something that is unique and I've never taken before, then I'll make a note of it. Yeah.
I think that's where I'm at. I'm still figuring out my edge.
Yeah.
Like I haven't like gotten to the point of like unconscious confidence,
Yeah.
where I don't have to think about the trades I take
Yeah.
much.
Then just grind it out on the chart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I think it got cut off.
What is this someone's
Yeah.
trade?
This is Peter's. I recognize these candles. Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Go ahead.
These are nice.
If you pull it up so you can see the 1 hour chart at the bottom.
Okay, 1 second.
Kind of what you're looking for. So it's happening like So I think we're still in the overall uptrend, but there's a potential to sell as long as that 1 hour candle, the previous 1 hour candle, which was the New York Open.
This one, right?
Yeah. So as long as that kind of current 1 hour candle doesn't close above that candle, I'm looking for potential sell down to the 50% range of the main trend of the London. So the London range, I guess, that was created at about, what's it called, about 134,400. So that's today's trend.
Yeah.
So if that comes down to the 50% retracement at least,
yeah,
that could be support form for continuation probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
But you see that you're looking for a quick sell, or you got to wait for tomorrow to go continue for the week.
Yeah.
Trend.
Correct.
But just to let you know, you're doing a great job, and I appreciate it.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah. Are you? So you're looking for longs at what's this price? Let me see.
Yeah. Overall, I'm still look for long, but I can see what you were looking for, like when you put up your chart.
Yeah.
I could see that, and I'm like, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
But the 4 hour is still bullish.
Yeah.
But the 1 hour is already breaking.
Yeah.
Previous lows. So if that's the case, let's just hope for a quick downtrend down to create support. And we can see a potential move upward. But we can either take the short and get a few pips and continue before it continue, because for it to continue up, he has to go grab liquidity around that area.
Yeah.
Like 140, 145, 200, 300. Yeah.
Yeah, around this area here.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I think you dropped the fips. You dropped the fips based on the hour?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's interesting.
The fips, I don't really use fips, but fips is just an area to look at.
Yeah.
The 38% retracement is a strong trend. 50% is pretty good. Anything. Yeah, sometimes it retraces to 78% retracement. So you can't really say, but we still look for price action, candle closing above previous candle close, and whatever you want to use for your confirmations.
Yeah.
I think fips is just some way of interest, I think.
Yes. Like if I notice that it's really lining up so nicely, like the 50% on this, because that's what I saw on your chart. Then if it lines up so nicely with the 300 level, I'm going to pay a lot of attention to the 300 level.
Exactly.
Yeah, but I won't take entries just because it's a 50% fit, because I know some people take longs because it's at this 50%.
Yeah,
but
you
no.
gotta wait for confirmation.
Yep. Correct. Yeah.
Anyway, again, good job. Just wanted to contribute a little bit today. And
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Because I recognize your charts. I
Yeah,
know you're the
I'm
only
the
one
guy.
that uses.
I gotta be different,
Yeah.
But it's all good.
Yeah.
I love that. I think this is less noise for me.
Oh, okay.
Like if you look at those candles, it's just the open. That's all you gotta worry about with candles.
True.
The open, the close, the high, and all that fancy stuff is.
Yeah. The rest is just noise.
Yeah. The rest is noise. But if you're okay with it, then
yeah.
I just feel like the other ones is kind of nice for my own eye.
Yeah. Like last time I used to use black candles. So my candles had no color. So that was how I got used to the noise on the candles also. So now even if they have colors now, I feel nothing.
Yeah, exactly. just what you're used to. There's nothing.
Yeah.
It's the same information. It's just what I want to, what I love seeing, and hopefully I can. Yeah.
I mean, just trade whatever that works for you, because we all have our individual styles. Yeah, and you're
Yeah, and
seeing
earlier on,
yeah.
some of the guys were talking about. I was gonna say some, but I was like the leverage account, like the increase
Yeah.
in leverage.
Yeah.
And I think the most important thing, like you said, is you understand the risk management. You know, as a
Yeah.
newbie trader, you shouldn't. The high leverage is just a recipe for disaster. You know, you get that high
Yeah.
leverage and you're too excited. You don't even understand risk management.
Yeah.
You're taking trade because you think you have the
Big account
your
balance.
equity. Yeah, the margin. You have the margin, but you don't really. Your account balance is still $1,000.
Correct.
So just just understand risk management first.
Yeah.
Before worrying about the leverage you have. Take a lower leverage so it kind of ups you. Yeah, it kind of disciplines you. Like
Yeah.
when you take too big of a lot size, it just you can't take that trade.
Yeah.
So if you understand that the leverage doesn't really matter as much as you understand the risk management.
Yeah, correct. I totally agree.
And I was wondering, do you even trade London at all?
No, I start at like 5 a.m. Eastern.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't even trade the London Open. Like there
Oh,
are some times where I'm like, if I'm a bit more free in after lunch, then I'll pop in to have a look at the previous 4-hour candle close. So that's this one, the one right after Asia. Yeah, sometimes I do look at it, but yeah, it's not that often. I don't trade it often.
yeah.
Yeah. Plus,
I always try to get up for London as much as I can with Monty, but it's hard.
it's too early.
Yeah, it's too early for me. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, but technically you don't really need it because there's a
Yeah,
lot of move after that also. Yeah.
yeah. What the market gives to you. You know, it could be
Yeah.
London, it could be New York, but
Yeah. If not, you won't be sleeping, man.
yeah, I used to do it. It's just hard for me right now, I guess.
Yeah, it's okay. Blue is blue.
Yeah. Hopefully, down the road I can come in and maybe contribute a lot more. I'm kind of a shy guy, I guess.
Oh nah, don't worry about it.
I'll
You don't have
try
to
to do
turn
that.
on. You don't have to turn on your camera.
Nah, I don't do that.
Yeah.
Sure.
I only
And
turn
most
it.
times, yeah, my kids are sleeping and the family. I try not to wake them around 2 o'clock or around
Okay,
5 o'clock in the morning.
okay.
I'll try to kind of go down the road. Yeah, you see the kind that 1 hour candle is pushing down. Hopefully we can get a close below.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But London's closing already though.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we might have to wait till tomorrow. So even
True.
yeah, if this GU candle closes bearish on the 30-minute, I don't even think I want to take it because that would mean that I will have to hold my trade overnight, and that would mean swaps and blah blah blah. I don't really want to deal with it.
Yeah, I hate swap fees.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you, Elena. I gotta go.
All right, no
hopefully I'll
worries.
see you tomorrow.
All right, see you.
Yep. Bye.
Bye bye. Hey Khalid, I'm seeing you like 30 minutes after the call ends, right? After the stream ends.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Because I'm
I don't
gonna.
know how this goes. I'll probably be in a trade by that time.
You will?
Yeah, I'm looking at a GU. It's re-entering that zone on the 15-minute, and it created a resistance. So
This one. Also, are you looking short?
yeah, I'm looking for a short,
Yeah.
about
thing-
like 35.
Yeah, the thing is, this 30 minutes still bullish though. That's why it's still iffy. Are you waiting for the 15 close or the 30?
The 15,
Okay.
because the previous 15 closed without a wick, so
Yeah. Looks like it might want to come down. Are you trading it through this area here? Or lower?
just a little bit lower.
Okay. Looks good. This is interesting.
To 282.
Oh, the bottom here. This support, right?
Yeah.
Interesting. Like, if this candle closes like engulfing the previous one, then yes, I would be at least going to this area here. But if it closes like weaker than or higher than this low, right, then it will be a bit tough. Because the 30 should flip bearish. Yeah, but the 1 hour is still bullish though. Would you be worried about that?
Probably not now, honestly. Only because
Oops.
the way I'm looking at it now is like it's just failing to create a higher high. What the hell just happened to my chart?
It went back into the range.
No, something like my whole chart just messed up. Oh, am I looking at the wrong chart? What is this?
GU? Are you looking at GU?
I don't know what just happened, but
refresh.
Yeah, I just did. No, because yeah, I'm just seeing it as it's failing to create higher highs, so it's losing that momentum for buys at the moment.
But wouldn't this be a higher high already on this bearish candle? Like,
I was looking at the overall trend.
oh, okay. Yeah, so like, I think what Kevin looked at earlier on GJ, right? It's the same thing now. So this would be like a lower high from here, right? So,
Right.
Yeah, that's what I'm struggling with as well. It's just that, ooh, the timing is not the best. Yeah. Well, it's good. If you take it, then we'll have something to discuss. Yeah,
But that's pretty much the same thing that I was saying with the with GJ earlier. Like on the higher time frames, it just looks like a retest, and we're just looking for a entry point.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. If this daily candle closes below this support here, right? I think we're gonna come down tomorrow on GJ. Yeah. So closes below 135. What's this? 600. Yeah. This daily candle. We're gonna come down to correct the move, I think. This was the whole move from London, man. This is gross. Yeah, but GU is doing the same thing. Alright. Okay, here we
Now
go.
this new 30-minute candle is bearish.
Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, so I like that it also respected this minor support here as well. So if you look at where the wick stopped, right? Yeah. So this 15 looks interesting now. Yeah, but you might have to wait for... Are you going to wait for this to close?
Most likely, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, looks good.
So I have a pretty big range, so I'm not really worried about missing it.
Yeah, correct. Because you're taking it to 200. Yeah, really. So where's your stop? Above this zone?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks good. Yeah.
Well, before I saw this, when this prior 15-minute candle was going bearish,
Hmm.
my stop was 16 pips at 287. But if this creates a resistance here, then I'll put my stop above that wick.
Yeah. 287. Yeah, because it moved a bit higher. Oops. Yeah, looks good. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go off the stream for a bit and then I will see you in about 30 minutes, right?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so everyone, I'm gonna call the stream. So I will see everybody tomorrow. First stream starts at 5 a.m. Eastern. Then, yeah, and the next one's after Raja. Right? Thank you, everyone. Okay, Khalid, I'll see you later.
Yep.
Oh, wow. Shoots. Okay, let's see. Oh, shoots, man. Sorry, I really didn't see this. My YouTube thing was hanging. Let me see. Mario, it's... Oh my god, I don't know whether you guys are still here. So, Mario, the platform is... Notion. So if you go onto the Discord, right, it's over... Where is my thing? Here. Under trading resources, it's this Notion template here. Yeah, so let's see. Oh, so sorry. Let's... Wow, okay. Yeah, I think the guys managed to answer most of the questions. Yep. Yeah, so anyone trying to trade GU, please be careful. London is closed. Same for GJ. GJ is still ranging. I don't recommend any trades on this. Right, so I will see you all tomorrow. Good day, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are.